Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving straight into how you can create a mindful morning routine in Notion, your best ally for optimal productivity in 2025. Let's kick things off by creating a new page in Notion. Now, why do we do this? It's because Notion pages are where you store all your content, and having a dedicated page for your morning routine helps keep everything organized. Next up, let's title our new page Mindful Morning Routine. This helps us because having a clear title makes it easy to find and keep track of our routine. Now that we've done that, let's add a table. Click on the plus Add a Block button, select Table. The reason we do this is to create a structured layout for our routine. Tables in Notion are fantastic for organizing tasks, and they're super easy to manage. Within this table, add columns for task, time, and reflection. In the Task column, list all the activities you want to include in your routine. In the Time column, assign a specific time for each task. The Reflection column is where you'll jot down your thoughts and feelings after completing each task. Now, why is this step important? A structured routine not only helps you to stay organized, but also cultivates mindfulness by encouraging reflection on each activity. With our table set, let's add a progress property. This is a checkbox you'll tick off once you complete each task. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. As you mark tasks complete, you're fostering a sense of achievement, which further motivates you to stick to your routine. Now, let's add some color. Click on the Ba button on the top right of your page, select Color, and choose a color that inspires you. This step is all about personalizing your morning routine to make it more engaging and enjoyable. And that's it. You've successfully created a mindful morning routine in Notion. It's not just about getting things done, it's about starting your day with intention and mindfulness. Remember, a good morning routine sets the tone for the rest of your day, so make it count. Until next time, keep being productive.